What's up, everybody? I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Welcome back to yet another video here on the N-Ext DIY Lawn channel. Today, guys, we are back with yet another episode of What's in the Jug. Today, guys, we're talking all about the N-Ext Sea-K product. Now, this product is exactly as it sounds. It is a highly concentrated sea kelp product. This product is exactly as it sounds, as it contains a highly concentrated amount of sea kelp, making it the perfect kicker for springtime, as well as the perfect stress reliever for summertime with a little touch of potassium. The benefits you reap when applying this product in a well-balanced fertility program are deeper color, increased rooting, increased drought protection, and overall increased nutrient uptake. As far as application timing, it is preferred that you apply 2 times in the spring, 1 in the early spring, 1 in the mid to late spring, and an additional 1 in the fall time, ideally early fall. All you really need with this product in order for it to do so much good for your soil. So there you go, guys. That's all we have for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. If you have any additional questions or comments, leave those down below as well. And me and someone on the next team will get back to that as soon as we can. With that, I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next What's in the Jug.